In recent years, drones have begun to expand rapidly to commercial applications, such as agriculture spraying, surveying and mapping, wind turbine inspection, logistics, disaster search and rescue, etc. Global major companies, such as Google, Amazon, etc., also develop various flying vehicles to find out the possibilities for future applications. The critical issue is the insufficient cruise time. Our hydrogen fuel cell system includes several key technologies to obtain long endurance flight, such as high-power MEA, lightweight stacks, high-efficiency hybrid power and multi-stacks control, and hydrogen cylinder monitoring and management. The power density of the stack and the energy density of the fuel cell system are the world's leading. This lightweight UAV even set a record of 181 minutes of flight with a payload of 5 kilograms, greatly surpassing the flight record announced by international fuel cell UAV manufacturers.